Happy belated Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. It's a ritual for me to prepare Modak for Ganeshji every year. So I thought why not just make a video for the recipe. So here it is. First I'm making the stuffing. For that I crushed some jaggery, some sugarcane jaggery, and then I am caramelizing it. Once it is caramelized properly, it's time to add some grated coconut into this. I always add some salt into any dessert to balance out the sweetness. Not much, just a pinch of it. Now need to saute it very well until everything combines. I'm adding about half cup of milk. This helps in adding a great richness to it and also helps in combining the entire thing. Yes, this is done. Make sure you don't overcook it. As soon as it is done, just switch off the gas and pour it aside. Keep it in mind that this mixture is very hot, so be very careful. Now time for the second taste. I have some crushed nuts. Along with some switch off the heat as soon as it forms a sticky consistency. Now we have our jaggery and the dry nuts filling ready. Now it's time to make small balls out of it. I am working with the dry nuts filling first because it tends to get hard very quickly, and I'm making very small balls out of it. Now I am making a little bigger balls with the coconut filling, and I'll put the small dry nuts balls inside it, and this will be like a second layer of stuffing. Now it's time to make the batter for the modak. For that I'll be using about 1 cup of rice flour. Add some salt to taste and about 1 teaspoon of oil, and mix this very well. I'll add hot water very gradually and will knead it to a very soft dough. Adding about 1/4 cup of atta or whole wheat flour as a binding agent. Now we'll knead it till a very soft dough is formed. Now take a very small portion of it and flatten it up with your fingers and make it like a small bread. Now the balls that you have made earlier, put it inside and cover it up. It won't be that difficult as you have already activated the gluten while kneading, so it will cover up very smoothly. Now you need to mold it to a shape of a modak, just the way I am doing it. Now with the help of a skewer stick or something sort of that, make small lines in the side. I have brushed some ghee and put it in an air fryer. Also I'm sprinkling some sugar from the top so that it gets caramelized while air frying, and that will give a very beautiful color and also it will taste very good. Now putting it into the air fryer, we'll fry it at 330 Fahrenheit and for 15 minutes. Now they're just out of the air fryer and you can see they are looking so good. So while they're still hot, I'm covering them up with more sugar so that the sugar gets stick to the side and definitely it will taste better. So yeah, my modaks are ready to be offered as bhog to Ganpati, and maybe next time or maybe this time you can make one too. So let me know if you're making one. I hope this helps, and see you until next time. Bye.